In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to increase font size in Microsoft Outlook quickly using the 2025 guide. If you're finding it difficult to read your emails because of small text, or if you just want to make your emails more visually appealing, adjusting the font size can help. With just a few simple steps, you can customize your email experience to be more comfortable and suit your personal style. First things first, head over to your web browser and navigate to the official Outlook website by typing outlook.office.com into your address bar and pressing enter. Once you're on the Outlook homepage, you'll need to sign into your account if you aren't already. Enter your email credentials, and then you'll be directed to your inbox. Now that you're in your Outlook account, let's move on to customizing your settings. In the top right corner of the page, you'll find a gear icon. This is the settings menu. Click on it, and from the drop-down, you'll see an option that says View All Outlook Settings. Go ahead and click on this. Once you're in the full settings menu, look to the left side of the screen. You'll see several categories listed, such as Mail, Calendar, People, and so on. For our purpose, click on Mail, and a new set of options will appear. Among these options, select Compose and Reply. This is where you'll find the controls to adjust the font settings for your emails. Now, you're in the right place to make your changes. Look for the section labeled Message Format. Here, you'll be able to adjust your default font size along with the font style and color. Choose the font size that you find most comfortable. You might want to experiment with a few different sizes to see which one looks best on your screen and suits your needs. Once you've set the size, don't forget to click Save to ensure your changes are applied. With these adjustments, every new email you compose will now reflect your chosen font size. This can make a big difference in readability and presentation, giving your emails a more customized and personal touch. Remember, these settings can always be changed again, so don't hesitate to come back and tweak them if necessary. That's it. You've successfully increased the font size in your Microsoft Outlook emails. Now you can enjoy a more readable and visually pleasing email experience. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thank you for watching and have a great day.